All right, traders, welcome to the video analysis where I will be giving my forecast on Pound USD heading into the week. Let's hop right into that. Uh, First, I want to draw this trend line here. And as we can see, price was made a change in trend once it broke out of this major trend line support. And we noticed that price did this in a very aggressive manner. This is pretty much imbalance in the markets, and the markets does not like imbalance. Markets like to have a balance of buyers and sellers. So, with that in mind, I'm immediately thinking of price potentially coming up and balancing up this price here after origin where it started. Now, if we pay closer attention to this chart, we'll see that we have support here that could act as resistance to support this idea. Not only that, but off this swing high here to this swing low, check it out. This support actually lines up with the 61.8 Fib confluence. So we have our trend line support that's broken recently. Then we have support at this potentially previous support at this potentially resistance. And with that being said, all there is left now to do is be patient and to wait and see how price action reacts, right? Again, this is the markets and anything can happen. Price might not even come back this far, but the whole purpose of this trade idea is for it to come back this far. And when it does, we don't want to see it come back in the same fashion as it did here, because this is very aggressive. Instead, we want to see price as it comes up into this zone. We want to see the candle start to slow down, it respect this zone and pull away in a nice fashion. And as it pulls away, one of the confirmed entries would be to, as it's making this temporary bullish trend and it comes to respect this area, we can wait to see if price comes back and break one of the previous higher lows here, right? That's forming off this projected bull run that's going to come up into the zone, and that can be an entry that you can enter off of as price is coming back. So that's it for this video analysis. If you like this video analysis, please leave a like and a follow, as I am always posting trading charts in relation to Forex and many other instruments. So I appreciate it and thank you. See you next time.